The Gathering Together workshop includes everything you need to make 3 two-page layouts. And let's take a look at the layouts. Here we've got layout 1 with a couple of flip-flaps just so you can have even more photos. Sorry about the glare, but you'll have your print and cut Cricut cuts already done for you and ready for you to add to your paper. A lot of the pattern paper has a gold foil included in the pattern. It's really, really pretty. Same with this one. There's a gold foil in the leaves, in the veins of the leaves. Here is layout 2 with flip-flaps over here on this side. And you can see the Cricut cuts done for you there and here as well. And finally, Autumn Splendor. This is a just a gorgeous, warm toned, autumn colored layout here. And we've got a couple of flip-flaps on this side as well. And there you have it, Gathering Together. You can find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.